I'm Deanne Orlino with the Kohler company, and I'm the Senior Channel Manager for Commercial. We wanted to showcase some products and booths so you guys know what's fun and coming within our product portfolio. So one of them that we will launch next year is our Kohler Cortex platform, where you're basically seeing one of our dashboards here today. But this is something that we wanted to be able to launch so that we could actually control the future. We want to make sure that we're ultimately delivering something to our customers that has really powerful data for you guys to make sure that ultimately you could make the right business decisions in becoming more efficient and effective in how you're supporting your buildings. So we've basically designed a lot of our products in booth, our touchless faucets over here, our flashometers, as well as our soap dispensers, to be able to connect to our Cortex platform so that it can deliver the information for them to understand things like, is this faucet working? Is the batteries working? Is there soap to be able to deliver for the product? And all of that is in here so that it can proactively give this information to the maintenance staff so that they could react on that and actually fix it before a user actually experiences something wrong in the restroom. So there's tons of feature sets within that are going to be very beneficial for cleaning staff, facilities staff, as well as developers and owners who really want to understand what is happening with plumbing within their building. So as part of the platform, we also have a kiosk that is basically on the outside of the restroom that is helpful for two personas. It is helpful for the end user, for them to understand occupancy, as well as hygiene of the restroom if it was ultimately cleaned recently. And it also basically helps the cleaning staff to either showcase what needs to be addressed within that restroom or go ahead and enter that information for them to address in the platform in itself. So it becomes a very powerful tool for us to ultimately bring that data up into the cloud and give that information to the right people so that they can react appropriately and become more efficient and effective in how they're supporting their buildings.